Been playing with this again all day, making some progress. This all started to track down a wiring issue, a rather strange one I was having, where the power mirrors, power locks, the power windows all would work intermittently when holding other buttons down. Like for instance, holding down the mirror would power the windows. So I decided, after looking at a bunch of hacked up wires, to start from scratch. I already had a virgin wiring harness from the same year car with absolutely no modifications. So I decided to go ahead and cut out the risky time and replace every single wire from the engine compartment to the taillights, including the body harness that runs back to power the convertible top, but also the dash and dash harness. After all of that work, I found out what the problem actually was. This wire, which is typically, I believe, power mirrors, and this wire are exactly the same plugs. So at some point during the removal of this dash to do a heater course sometime back, something was switched, and ever since then it wasn't getting constant power to the sources it was supposed to. So basically every bit of the wiring, which was necessary because I mean it's in really good shape and it's gonna last for a long time, every bit of the wiring has been replaced, including the back of the fuse panel, everything. Personally gone through. Plugs aren't all hammered. This is definitely a much better condition harness that was in the car. So I'm gonna say upgrade? Yay. At least I know. So now gotta button it all back up, clean it, put all the pieces in the trim. I got another carpet kit that I'm gonna put in, nice black one. Fix all the little wiring for the switches in the rear. Basically just tidy up what I've already gotten done. Now that the issue has been solved, identified finally, it should all be downhill from here, I hope. Everything's grounded back here, but the lights aren't plugged in yet. I'll plug them all in, test every single circuit in this car before I install it for the final time, including cigarette lighter, all the lights in the center console, mirrors work. I'll check the cluster, get that all installed, HVAC unit. And we got a nice convertible well. This goes inside the bottom of the convertible top. The convertible top actually folds down into this. It's dirty, but when it cleans up, it's gonna look real sharp in the car. So yep, this is where we're at right now. Man, that paint work on that top really came out nice. Stay tuned.